Unit 3. Developing Speaking. Exercise 3.
The first thing I'd like to say is that, in my opinion, it's true that the internet is changing the way that we think and the way that our minds work. However, I do not agree that this change is necessarily for the worse. First of all, I would argue that the human brain always adjusts to change. I would say that that is what makes humans special, different from animals. When film and television first appeared, many people thought that people would stop reading or thinking for themselves. Whilst it's true that TV in particular has made a huge impact on the way people spend their leisure time, this does not mean that there are no longer any great writers, thinkers, scientists, or inventors today. Another important point to make is that the internet has helped improve our minds and the way we think. When my parents studied at school, they spent hours and hours memorizing information, learning masses of data by heart. What a waste of time and brain power. Now we can access all the information we need with just a click. This does not make us less intelligent. Just because we have calculators does not mean our brains have got smaller. It means that our brains can concentrate on other, more useful matters. Finally, I accept that the way we read on the internet is faster and more superficial than the way we read a great work of literature or a complicated science textbook. However, just because we spend time on the internet doesn't mean that we can't read novels and reference books too. To sum up, the internet is here to stay, and nothing will change that. It has brought changes for the better and changes for the worse. I believe that it is only dangerous if we let it take over our minds and our lives completely.